light it up. It's gonna be orange though, right? Give me a sec.
That's okay.
Holdover clause is what it's called.
Would you just say your name for us first?
Jim Darnell,
D-A-R-N-E.
LL.
And you are representing the mayor?
I do.
Everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we start off by, right at the end, she mentioned she had a question about the holdover clause. Can you explain to us what that is and why she would bring it up? And what was the city's answer to that?
The city's answer to answer your last question first was that it didn't apply. The holdover clause says that even after somebody leaves office until there is a replacement, that they hold over that position. And she was simply asking whether she was expected to continue.
Did she want to continue? Did she want to have that, hope to have that apply to her?
I don't think she wanted the holdover clause to apply. What she wanted to do was remain mayor, since 70% of the population of Socorro voted her in as mayor.
What do you think happened here?
I think it was a railroad job. Plain and simple. What you heard before executive session was, listen to the evidence, listen to the evidence, listen to the evidence. What you heard after executive session, there was no evidence.
What was the allegation?
Well, the allegation was that the mayor, I think this is the allegation, because they never said that either. I believe the allegation was that she was accused of a crime back in 2012 and that the city of Socorro funded her attorney, all of which is false. Back then, there were all kinds of allegations between members of the Socorro Council. I saw that meeting, I know what happened. They voted that each person on council and the mayor could hire their own counsel, and it would be paid by the city subject to terms and conditions. The city attorney made the decision that that was legal. Not Mr. Martinez, a different city attorney, Jerry Wallace. He determined that it was legal. He sent contracts to the attorneys that were hired. There were some people, one in particular, Jesse Gondara, against whom allegations were being made, not against Gloria Rodriguez. There were no allegations that she had done anything wrong. And August of 2012 is when that passed unanimously. She was called to the grand jury, not as a defendant, but as a witness in March of 2013. At the grand jury, I've got the piece of paper here. The assistant district attorney told her, okay, Ms. Rodriguez, I want to let you know that you're here as a witness before this grand jury. You're not a target of any kind of investigation. Okay? You've been asked to come here to testify regarding complaints, and then it lists against other people. So the idea that the mayor was charged with some sort of a crime is just simply false. She was never accused of a crime. She was called to testify about procedures and what she used a lawyer for in accordance with the opinion of the city attorney, and the vote of city council was to make sure that she understood what the issues were and responded appropriately. No more, no less. She never defended a criminal case because the district attorney told her, you're not on trial. And she wasn't on trial.
So what happens next?
Well, at this point we have to decide, because this was simply a miscarriage of justice. It shouldn't have happened. It did. The fact that y'all don't even know what the allegation was is a pretty good hint that this was a railroad job. This was embarrassing. As a citizen of El Paso County, I'm embarrassed.
Is it your legal opinion that the Texas holdover clause applies to Mayor Rodriguez?
I don't know, because I don't know I don't know what legal theory they used to remove her from office. You never heard a legal theory. So, I don't know. I do know that I think this was a sham proceeding and probably subject to review and reversal.
By who? Who would do that? Who would review and?
The courts of the state of Texas.
Thank you.
Thank you.